Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian. Thank you so much for checking out my podcast, Real Estate Insider. We are a nationwide private equity firm specializing in helping investors, real estate investors, entrepreneurs, self-employed business owners, developers all over the country to scale their business. Today we're actually talking about a very specific topic, non-recourse developer loans. So if you're a developer, you're doing horizontal, you're doing vertical, you're building out commercial residential developments, I'm your guy to get you the funding. If you need non-recourse or if you want full recourse, obviously there's a difference. And so we're going to talk about the differences today, the pros and cons. And so we specialize in a non-recourse loan for developers all over the country. Doesn't matter if you're in California, Texas, Florida, the Carolinas, Pennsylvania. We can hook you up if you are a developer. You're doing land development. You're doing commercial, horizontal for single family, for residential, or multifamily strip malls, or whatever you're doing. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about the funding. But basically, we have non-recourse. So if you're having trouble with the banks, and whether they're having a hard time approving the loan, or you don't like the provisions or the clawbacks or the carve-outs, or what I'm seeing right now, a lot of banks aren't funding these type of loans. So private equity is a great place to go. Provided if the loan amount is big enough, and we'd love to talk to you about the opportunities. So here we're going to be talking about non-recourse developer loans. So it can be used for horizontal and vertical funding. Okay, we can go up to 80% loan to cost, so that's actually very generous. A lot of banks go up to 60% loan to cost on raw dirt, on land. We can actually go up to 80% on some deals, depending on the strength of the sponsor. The strength of the sponsor does matter. This is for people that are, very qualified sponsors, individuals that have very seasoned experience. And we can also, like I said, we can do non-recourse, limited recourse, full recourse. Obviously, the terms are going to be laddered accordingly. Interest rates. The thing is that one thing I can tell you is that rates, non-recourse, start and 10% plus. Full recourse or limited recourse, $8 to 9%, and then full recourse, you're going to get obviously bank pricing 5 to 6%. So this is a good primer on rates. Rates for non-recourse is 10% plus. Limited recourse is going to be 8 to 9%. Full recourse 5 to 6. I'm talking about the interest rate on the loan. You can do an interest only. You can also have an interest reserve to build in a year of interest payments. So that way you don't have to make the payments for up to a year. Lender fees are usually 2 to 3 points. Those can be financed in. The notes are usually 1 to 5 year notes, as you can see, 1 to 5 year notes. Minimum $5 million loan amount. We do like to go up to a higher loan amount, guys. I mean, ideally 10 million, 20 million, 30, 40, 50 million. 5 million is on our low end, but we like to be in at least the 10 million to 15, $20 million bracket. So if you're, like I said, what I'm seeing a lot of right now, I'm going to tell you because I work with a lot of developers. The banks aren't funding loans right now, guys, for developers. They don't like them. Okay, so reach out to us, private equity, private money, to get your deal funded. And then, if you're a sponsor and you have a high net worth, I deal with a lot of high net worth developers, and you don't want full recourse. You don't have to have full recourse. You're going to pay a little bit more on the interest, but you're protected. There's no personal guarantee by you, so that could be really, really good depending on your situation. So think about that if you're a developer and you're looking to get funding and you're getting snagged by the banks. You can reach out to Angelo Christian Financial. We'd love to talk to you with our commercial lending group, 832-431-6331, to help you to get your deal funded. Again, whether you're in, like I said, California, Hawaii, if you're a developer and you're seeking funding, another better outlet, go to the trusted source, Angelo Christian Financial. We've been in business for over 17 years. Look us up online. We've been in Bloomberg, CNN, Good Morning America. Look at the reviews, all the builders, investors, companies that we've helped. So we'd love to help you guys out there to scale your company. You reach out to us directly, 832-431-6331. Let us help you to scale your business in 2020. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.